Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Design Theory. Today I'm going to create a simple minimalist logo regarding alphabet B. So I have my Illustrator open here. So our final product will be something like this. So without further delay, let's move this to the side. Sorry, let's zoom this quite a bit. So we have our blank page open here. Now I'm going to take this rectangle shape, select some different color, something like it's okay. Now what I'm going to do is make some basic shapes. It will be okay. Now selecting this direct tool over here and pressing shift in my keyboard, I'm going to click these corners, these two left corners, and here you can see these areas, and I'm going to drag this a bit and uh, change these edges. Now what I'm going to do is uh, make another rectangle, something like this big. Using this selection tool, I'm going to move this around here. I think I'm going to make this quite smaller. That's fine. I'm going to move it around this. Now what I'm going to do is copy these both shapes, and using shape builder tool, I'm going to press Alt in my keyboard and erase this portion. Now we have these shapes around here. I think this looks quite different. Let's make it quite different. So let's change this corner. Let's see how does it looks. I think that looks okay to me. Let's select this once again, and using shape builder tool and Alt in my keyboard, erase this area. Okay, it looks quite okay to me. You can change it to different shapes if you want to. I will leave it as it is. Now what I'm going to do is copy this area, select this at first, and pressing Alt in my keyboard, I'm going to drag it over here. Something left to the not there, something like something like let's shift it. You may see it's quite uh, top. It is quite to the left and quite to the right, but I'm doing it intentionally. So now what I'm going to do is select rectangle tool and make a rectangle over here, something like this, and I'm going to take pen tool and click this corner, and we have some rectangle over here. Now I'm going to select this rectangle and move this quite a bit here, and I'm going to change something like that's, I think that's okay. Let's shift this. It doesn't need to be perfect for the first time. Let's change this. You can basically do some experiments and change is equal. This is how it's going to look like. You can do experiments. I'm going to search for that. Now what I'm going to do is select these all areas and using shape builder tool and Alt in my using shape builder and Alt in my keyboard, I'm going to erase these portions. Now basically we have here is something like B looking shape, and you can change according to your needs. I'm going to make this a bit smaller and take it quite to the top. It looks okay to me. Let's move it over here, and now what I'm going to do is select ellipse tool in your selection tool and make something ellipse like this. it doesn't need to be perfect, as I already mentioned. You can experiment. And what I'm going to do is uncheck this filling and check this stroke. And I'm going to increase this stroke size, something like 7 point. Let's make it 8 point. And here you can see it's selected to uniform. Let's check this and go to this Y profile 1. Here, this one. And you can see it looked different. I'm going to press Ctrl Shift so you can see how does it looks previously. So it was like this, and we had made it like this. And selecting this, and I'm going to quite rotate this. Let's make this bigger, and I'm going to move it over here. Now I'm going to do is change its color. To change its color, I'm going to select it and go to stroke and make something like this. How does this look? It doesn't look that good to me. Let's make it something far different. It doesn't look that good as well. Let's make it deep dark black. Sorry, you have to select it first. Let's make it black. It doesn't look quite good to me as well, but basically that's it, guys. You can do some experiments and make some tweaks and changes using these basic shapes. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment and send your feedbacks. And if this video add any value to your designing learning curve, please make sure to like this and uh, give some feedback to us so that we can make these videos quite better in upcoming days. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.